Good morning, boys and girls. It's me, Miss Denise, and we are going to do a fun little project. This project is going to be messy and it's feeling. We're going to be using our sense of touch, but we're also going to learn some really cool letters and draw and stuff like that. So this is kind of a fun project, but also a teaching project. Okay, and it's super simple. All you need is a bowl, shaving cream, spoon, and paint. Now you can make several bowls with different colors of paint. I'm just going to use one color for my project, and I chose pink. So the first thing you're going to do is you've got to shake up and you need a tray. You need a tray or some paper, maybe dark paper. Okay, but probably a tray that's like plastic or something like that. Okay, so shake, 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 shake. And then you're going to squirt it in here. This is the fun part. Love squirting. Just squirt, 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 squirt. Might need a little bit more for this project. Okay, that's probably good. Okay. And then you should roll your sleeves up. I should probably do that myself. Okay, and then you're going to take a little bit of your paint, because I don't want mine to be white. I want mine to be a color. So I'm just going to put a little bit of pink paint in my shaving cream. Okay, and then I'm going to mix it around. I might want it even darker. And since this is a feeling project, you don't need to use your spoon. You could use your hands to mix it, because you're just going to get messy. And that's okay. I'm going to add a little bit more pink because I don't think mine's dark enough. I want mine to be a brighter pink so you guys can see it really well. Okay, can you see that is pink? I think that you can. Okay, when you're done with that, you're just going to put it on your tray or plate or whatever it is that you are using. And this is where the fun comes in. Okay, now you can get rid of your spoon. You don't need your spoon anymore. You are going to start to use your hand. I'm going to try and hold this up while I do it. Smooth it all around your tray. Isn't that cool? Just smooth, smooth. Have fun. I mean, yeah, you're going to get it all over your hands, but that's okay. Now, the learning part is we can actually learn how to draw or make some of our letters using our cool shaving cream. So I'm going to make, I'll make a T. So once you get it all nice and flat, then you're going to take your finger and you're going to draw a straight line down. See, and you can see it just like that. And then make a straight line across. And look, you just practiced making the letter T. And it was fun. Whoops. It was fun, wasn't it? Yeah. Okay, now you can erase it. I'm going to erase it. Now let's make, what letter should I make? You think the letter A? Okay. Remember, you always start at the top. You're going to go down at an angle, then go back at the top, go down at an angle, and then what do we have to do? You're right. Go across. Oops. What letter did I make? You're right, the letter A. But we're done with the letter A now, so what do? Just erase it. Yep, just erase it, just like that. I got too much on my hand now. See, you can scrape it off if you have a tray. Works really well. Okay, what letter should we make now? The letter C. Okay, remember, start at the top and go towards the left and go around. You're making a half of a circle. C. The letter C. Good job. Okay, let's erase our C. Erase, erase, erase. What letter should we make now? What do you think? An I? Okay, we'll make an uppercase I. You ready? Let me get some of my shaving cream off of my hand. Okay, so an uppercase is start at the top, and you're going to go straight down, just like that. Yep. And then you're going to go across the top and across the bottom. And what did we make? The letter I. You're right. Okay, so now we're going to mix it all up again. And let's see if we can make a new letter. What should we make now? What do you think? An O? That's simple. You know how to make a circle, right? Yep, just start at the top and make a big circle. Oop, there we go. There's my O. Isn't that fun? Okay, and then I'm gonna try and write my name. Ooh, you guys could write your names too. Let me see if I can get my name. So my name is Miss Denise, but I'm just gonna say the Denise part, okay? So I need a D, so there's my D, and then an E. I'm gonna run out of room, but that's okay. And then my N. There's part of it. Let me erase. And I have an I, and then I have an S, and then another E. That's my name, or at least part of my name. What else do you think that you can do with your really cool mixture of shaving cream and paint? You could, yeah, you could make a shape. What shape should I make? A triangle. Alrighty, a triangle. Let's see, a triangle goes like this and like that, and then it goes all the way across. There's my triangle. Very good. So there's all kinds of fun things that you can do. And then, but you have to do it like on a table or a tray or something like that. You could do something on a piece of paper, but then it would stay. You can't really wipe it off of a piece of paper. So you probably don't want to do it that way. Well, you guys need to make your really cool shaving cream paint and let me see what it looks like. And maybe you can practice making your name or pictures or letters. I would love to see what you do. So you could have your grown-up take a picture of it, okay? And post it on Facebook. Well, thank you for joining me with this extra project using shaving cream. Bye-bye.